Hello, professionals. I welcome you to the AI-powered professional training by Transit Consulting Limited. Thank you for your interest to participate in this training. Now, this training is for 2 hours, and it's going to be in 2 sessions, session 1 and session 2. But there's a video that is like the overview to this training. How to work smart with HR. With AI. I'm an HR person, so how to work smart with AI. So if you didn't watch it before this video, this session 1, I need you to just watch it on our channel because I dealt with the overview of AI. Some people, they fear that AI is coming to replace us. Some people will be lazy and all that. Why you cannot use AI just as Google, So you have a better understanding with that. Now, this first session, we're going to basically look at the 3 of the 7 learning outcomes that you will see shortly. So the goal is to equip professionals with knowledge, practical skill, and the confidence to use AI responsibly. You don't become lazy, you are not careless with AI, essentially to improve productivity, your quality, decision-making, and professional judgment. So when we say to work smart, how to work smarter, faster, and better with AI. Working smart basically just means using your time, energy, and tools in a better way to reach your goal, to achieve your goal, to be a better professional. Faster. You don't waste time, and you come up with better decisions that only you alone or AI alone cannot achieve. So it's a combination of you, your own effort, and also the support of AI. That's basically what being an AI-powered professional is all about. And so we're going to look at 7 learning outcomes. Number 1, that you'll be able to explain what it means to be AI-powered professional, which I've already done, for example. Then you apply basic prompting principle to get better results. I started this in the overview video that I spoke about before this session. Identify the appropriate AI tools for different professional tasks that you need to carry out. Use AI to work faster without compromising quality. Use AI to improve the quality of your thinking and work. Apply responsive and ethical principle when using AI. Develop a simple, personal, AI-powered workflow. Personal. And so we're going to look at 3 out of the 7. What does it mean to be an AI-powered professional? The act of prompting, knowing which AI tool to use and when. And in session 2, we'll look at the remaining 4. So basically understanding and using AI effectively so you can work smarter with AI. So what does it mean to be an AI-powered professional? Essentially, it means that you use artificial intelligence, which is AI, tools, whether it's chat, whether it's Gemini rather, Claude, Gamma, Canvas, to do your job faster and better. The AI will basically just support you. It can support you as a learning assistant, as a research assistant, as an executive assistant, as a personal assistant, depending on the role that you give to the AI to help you do your routine work, for example. But the human judgment still belongs to you. And at the end of the day, you get better results. So let me look at this. AI capability plus human expertise plus professional judgment. What will it give you? It's going to give you better results. So you have a task, you use AI to help you, then you must make the judgment. Then you get better results. So I'm an HR person. So AI can help me analyze. Let's assume I did employee survey, maybe employee engagement survey. AI can help me analyze the data, and so I can see the trend. So AI can suggest, oh, these people are the risk of leaving because, I mean, they can be disengaged, can be silent. I can see. AI will help me outline the trend. Now, I will use my own human expertise as a human resource person with my knowledge that I have. That's my expertise. I will now interpret the reasons. Okay, so 70 people out of 450 says that they are not happy with their salary. Another 80 says their manager is always shouting, because of the knowledge that I have. I will use my human expertise to now interpret the reason. Why my professional judgment will determine the right action to take. So together, the support of AI, my professional, for example, or human expertise, or professional judgment will not give me a better result that only AI cannot give me, and only me, myself, I cannot get it. Yes, I can get it, but it may take me days. But with AI, I can make that decision in 3 hours. I can finish everything in 3 hours. So I get better results. I get better results. Instead of, okay, I want to hire, let me say, for example, a senior sales manager in the technology industry. Instead of starting from the beginning blank, trying to list the right skills and requirements, being an AI-powered professional, I can ask AI to write a modern job description for a senior sales manager in a tech industry, focusing on leadership and cloud software experience. In less than 5 seconds, AI will generate the draft. Then I can spend like 10 minutes tweaking it to match my company tone, and I post it immediately. Maybe, let's say I'll have 200 resume. The old way that I will spend maybe 3 tedious hours reading through massive stock of application. No, but AI-powered way, I upload the resume into an AI screening tool to just highlight candidates who match my exact criteria. What will I get? AI will give me a short list of the maybe 10 top candidates in minutes. My human eyes, I will now apply my human eyes to only see and review the absolute best option. Maybe I'll come down to 5 because I know my organization. So I apply my human expertise. So I will have better judgment, better results. That's how you become an AI-powered professional. You use AI to help you with especially routine tasks. In this case now, based on the example I've given. So AI can help you brainstorm, plan, writing, summarizing. So the question to always ask, where can AI help me work better? Not what can AI do? So the act of prompting. Remember in the overview video, I have said that your result is as good as the quality of your prompt. Is what you communicate, you will get. Is garbage in, garbage out. So in that, I explain RTFC, the role, the task, the format, and the context. Now, I want to use clear. C, the content. Give AI the background information it needs. This thing, I want you to write it for a manufacturing industry or in a tech industry. L, let AI know the role. What do you want AI to? The role you want AI to play. For example, as an experienced senior manager, explain the task. Clearly state what you want AI to do. I want you to summarize. I want you to research. Add requirements, the A. Specify the audience. Newly promoted supervisors. Let the tone be encouraging. Format, a table, for example, 500 words, the length. or other requirements. Review and then you refine. Please always treat whatever response you get from AI as your first draft. You must add your own human expertise and your professional judgment to it. What I want you to take away from this is that better instructions produce better results. So let's look at example of a weak and a clear prompt. Write an email to my team. Which team are you talking about? But see a clear prompt. As an experienced team leader, draft a professional and encouraging email to my team, reminding them to submit their monthly reports by Friday. Keep the tone respectful and motivating. Limit the email to 150 words. Clearly, you can pick out this clear. See the context, you can see what role you want AI to play. You can see explanation of what you want AI to do, the requirement, and then, of course, you now review and refine. So next, I want us to look at knowing which tool to use and when. The right tool for the right job makes all the difference. So you cannot be, you want to do a research, you cannot be using tool that is good for thinking. You're not going to get a good result. So what I have done is to try to just outline based on my usage and understanding of AI, the ones that are appropriate, for thinking, writing, and problem solving. I use Chat and Claude a lot. I use Chat, I use Claude, I use Notebook LM. I use Gemini because Google Gemini and Notebook, they are all Google things. Google always leave watermark on their things. So sometimes I'm not too comfortable with it. But like I'm doing a 14 days challenge now. I use Notebook LM, as the video explainer. I left the watermark there. And some people who know me say, if they now start paying you money for this now, they will take out of it. I say, yes, they should take. That's why they're in business. They are helping us. We should help them too. So if you want thinking, writing, and problem solving, I listed examples that you can use and what you can use them for. The one of research and information is there. I'm doing my PhD now. I use Claude a lot. I say, okay, this is what I want. When Claude is done writing, I say, okay, can we change it? Can I say, okay, now act as a professor who is my supervisor. What is the weaknesses and strengths in what I have written? You understand? And that's how you use artificial intelligence to help you. For presentation and virtual content, there's Canvas, there's Gamma. I don't use this a lot because I don't do things like that. I use a Notebook LM for my slide. I use Claude to write my script, and then I use Notebook LM to prepare my slide because I know how to remove the watermark if I don't want it. Do you understand? I use Chat for my images sometimes. Like this morning now, I wanted to change a book on something. I just uploaded it on my tablet to Chat, and I say, create a prompt that will help me regenerate this image. And it created the prompt, and I said, okay, based on the prompt that you have created, replace the book here with the attached book. Let the text, everything, the address, let it remain. And he brought it out beautiful. I used to call somebody before that I pay money. I did not. The person now asked me, because I told the person I want to use Chat to do. The person now sent me text that how did it come out? I sent to him and say, wow, very beautiful. So you also save yourself money when you use AI as a professional. So the ones for meetings and productivity, I have put it there. So there's no single best AI tool. There's only the right tool for the task you need to accomplish as at that time. So this is a practical exercise. Now, this training, this video is a pre-recorded video, and we did it intentionally, so you can always go back to it. We'll upload it on our website, and so But the interactive session of this training is in the WhatsApp group. So this is the interactive session that we're going to have. It's based on this exercise. So I want you to identify one read task from your work and answer the following questions. What task takes up much of my time? I'm a participant now. What part of this task could AI support? Which AI tool will I consider using? Write a clear prompt for the task. So I want you to share this in the WhatsApp group, and everybody must share. There's no keeping quiet there. That's how you know that you are learning. And there's no right or wrong answer. I am better today the way I use AI than I was 2 months ago because I kept learning. Understand? So some reflective questions that I want you to answer. Which part of my work am I currently doing manually that AI could help me do more effectively? Am I using AI only to generate answers like Google, or am I using it to improve the way I think and work? Which AI tool am I most likely to start using after this session? Because if you don't apply it, it will just be like another book on your bookshelf. How can I give AI better instruction than I currently do? So what are our key takeaways from this session? AI is a tool, not a replacement for professional judgment. The best place to start is with a real problem in your work. Better prompts produce better results. Different AI tools are designed for different tasks. You do not need to master every AI tool. Start with the tools that solve real problems for you. So I'll see you shortly in the WhatsApp group after the break. Thank you.